Greetings to you all, and welcome to this presentation, which is going to tell you about health, safety, and nutrition. And it is presented to you by group number 18. Well, in this slide, I'm going to define a couple of concepts, which are health, safety, and nutrition before I continue with anything else. Health is actually defined as a state of total physical, mental, and also social well being. And we do know the two most widely discussed forms of health are probably mental and physical health. However, we need to consider the fact that spiritual, emotional, and economic well being they all lead to better well being. And safety refers to activities and procedures that avoid harm or the damage to children and adults. And safety is of particular concern, more especially when it comes to young children, because environmental factors often directly or impact their well being. And then nutrition, it is defined as all processes used by an adult or a child to take in food, digest, absorb, transport, use, and excrete food substances. Well, in this slide, I'm going to discuss the relationship between health, safety, and nutrition. Well, health, safety, and nutrition, they are all mutually dependent. So, for instance, if one is not well and they're actually not well nourished or protected from harm, then the individual is in an unhealthy state of being. And all of these three aspects, they must be balanced for one to be considered to be in good health. So, if you have health, protection, and also nutrition practices that are better, then it will prevent most childhood illnesses from existing. And to give a better example, well, if somebody, for instance, is actually not well nourished, then it means that this person is going to be likely to get sick because their body doesn't have enough nutrients that can keep their immune system strong. And we do know for a fact that if your immune system is not strong, then it means that your body cannot protect you from simple things such as viruses that can actually, be healed as time goes. And because I have spoken about the relationship between health, safety, and nutrition, I also need to speak about something that is important, which is health promotion. And it is defined as the way of allowing individuals to increase control over their health or to enhance it. And this is a mechanism where families and communities are motivated to improve their quality of life and achieve and sustain health and well being. And this does not only stress the prevention of illnesses, but it also the promotion of good health. It literally is an optimistic philosophy that emphasizes personal, social, political, institutional, and also physical resources. And to continue with that, well, we need basic health and safety management to actually contribute to the prevention of childhood illnesses and also communicable diseases. We need a safe environment that prevents and reduces injuries for young children who are beginning to recognize dangerous situations. We also need good nutrition, which is important to our physical well being and also the intellectual development of young children. And we also need meals and snacks that are used to encourage good nutritional eating habits. And now I'm going to give you a visual representation of measures to promote children's health and safety. Well, as you can see, there's a picture of children who are having a snack, and it's probably a healthy snack. And you can see there are children who are running, and that is actually very important for physical development. And it actually also leads to the environment that they also find themselves in. Well, the environment we do know for a fact, it actually determines whether children are safe or not. And now I'm going to give you information on the measures that you can take to promote children's health and also safety. Well, firstly, you need to make sure that you provide them with a safe environment which prevents and also reduces injuries for young children. And then you need to ensure that there is good nutrition, which is important to the physical and also intellectual development of young children. You need to make sure that you keep your environment free from litter. No papers, no bottles. You need to make sure there is constantly disinfecting of the environment. You need to provide children with healthy food during lunch and snack time because that is also the two times where they actually eat. You need to ensure that there are no sharp objects and splints in the classroom. This is to prevent injuries and also make sure that children are not able to open gates. And because health, safety, and nutrition are very important, well, there are local services that you can visit which can help you with this, like the local clinic and also attending campaigns. They can actually help with giving you more information on any of the three things that I have spoken about. And because this is a very important topic, there's already existing awareness and prevention programs and safety programs which are there to actually help within our communities. For instance, there is the Child Safety Program, which aims to reduce and prevent unintentional injury to children within the home. And it does this by empowering and supporting parents, and it cares to make the necessary changes to promote child safety. There is also the Coordinated School Health Program, which takes a preventative approach to health, and it stresses the collective engagement of educators, administrators, workers, students, families, media partners, and community partners to enhance the children and also their school's health. And just to conclude on an important and interesting note, remember that the local clinic can actually become a place where you can collect information on nutrition, health, and also safety. Like this pamphlet in the picture, it gives news on nutrition and it can actually give you some of the information that you might need to know on how to be a person who is well nourished. And I hope you enjoyed this whole presentation and it was very informative. And always remember that information is accessible to you through your internet. And if not, you can always visit your local clinic. And there's always awareness programs that exist that can help you with finding information or becoming more knowledgeable in this whole entire topic. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching.